Holy shit, we're already talking about 6G. We barely finished blinking at 5G, and now the tech world's hard at work jacking up those speeds and going even crazier with connectivity. 5G Advanced isn't just your ordinary upgrade, it's the turbocharged, souped-up version of 5G. We're talking about smarter antennas, networks that can bend around buildings, and latency so goddamn low you could control a factory robot from a beach in Tijuana. Real-time everything, baby. But 6G? Oh, fuck. Strap in. That's stepping into science fiction territory. Think terabits per second. Imagine you want to download a 4K movie, blink and it's done. But that's just the appetizer. We're gunning for AI-powered networks that basically manage themselves, holographic calls you can high-five through, and the whole Internet of Everything bullshit. Cars, your fridge, your brain implant, all chit-chatting like it's Thanksgiving dinner. 6G won't just connect things faster. It's about integrating humans and machines in ways that sound like a fever dream cooked up after too many Red Bulls. Wireless brain-computer interfaces. Anyone? Remote surgery from the other side of the planet? Hell, why not? Security has to level the fuck up too, because if we're putting our brains on Wi-Fi, you better hope nobody's out there hacking people's thoughts for memes. But let's get real. None of this comes easy. New chips, new spectrum, more goddamn cell towers everywhere, burning through terawatts of power. There'll be challenges, but humanity's never backed down from going further, faster, weirder. So 5G Advanced is the wild ride you're on now. But 6G, that's the rocket ship to a future even sci-fi writers can't predict. Buckle up, motherfuckers. The next era of connectivity is coming, and it's gonna melt faces.